if you are a motovlogger, or if you're thinking about getting into the realms of motovlogging, you will quickly come to realise that riding gloves and small cameras are a little bit fiddly. Now, I'm not going to pretend I come up with this idea all by myself. I actually got this from Teapot One, who I think he got it from someone else. But these things will be a lifesaver. Stick them everywhere you need, and then you'll be able to feel the buttons to turn them off, do the menus, etc. And that is glue dots. Sounds simple when you say it, but all you do is you put glue dots on the buttons, and then when you're riding, and obviously the camera's on your helmet, you just feel for the glue dot, and that's it, and then you push. Whereas the buttons on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro are tiny. They're not only tiny, but they're not very raised. They're quite flat, low profile to the body of the camera, and sometimes quite difficult to find, especially if you've got winter gloves on and a little bit thicker. These glue dots are an absolute game changer when it comes to finding the buttons. So yeah, there you go. Little insider tip if you ever are thinking about putting cameras onto your helmet. I'll even leave a little link below so you don't have to go looking for them. Click on it, buy it, make your life a hell of a lot easier. I've even put it on the little protection case that I've got on my Osmo Action 4. Genius. Nothing else to say, but until the next one, ride safe.